In this video, we're going to use fraction strips to help us figure out how to subtract fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says use the fraction strips to help you subtract the fractions, and it's 2/5 minus 1/5 equals some question mark. So fraction strips look like this. There's one whole, that means just one whole thing, and then it's cut up into two. This is 1/2, this is another half. And then you could take the same whole and cut it up into thirds, or fourths, or fifths. And for us, we're doing the fifths. So this is how the whole looks when it's cut up into 5 exact equal parts. So you need to understand what each shaded piece shows. And each small square is 1 out of 5, or 1/5. So this is 1 out of 5, or 1/5. And together they make 2. So the shaded ones are 2. 2 out of the 5 small squares, or 2/5. And here's 2/5. This is how it looks on the fraction strip. So you could see that there. Now we subtract one of the shaded pieces. 1/5 has been taken away. So this is how it would look if 1/5 is taken away. So the third step is to find the difference. So see how many fraction strips are left. That's what the difference means. What's left over? So we have 1/5 fraction strip left. There's just this one left, which is worth 1/5. So 2/5 minus 1/5 equals 1/5. We only have 1/5 left, and we see that right here. And that's the answer to this. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. Practice makes improvement. So you could just rewatch the video again. As well, if you need further help, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this that can help you figure this out. And as well, you could download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something. And thank you so much for listening.